This is the chapter challenge for Elijah Thompson, Caitlin Clifford, Kayla Kahanick, and Rhiannon Stringer. First, we're going to start out with the vocab for the chapter. First, we have acceleration. When it's positive, it's when you're going in a direction at a certain speed, and it is increasing. Negative acceleration is when you're stopping in a given direction.
Accuracy in measurement is where you have close to the right answer, but there aren't a ton of the right answers. So we had accuracy in our measurements because they were around the same answers, but they weren't exactly correct.
Distance and time. The distance is how far you go, and time is how long it takes you to do that motion.
The Doppler effect is how sound changes over time when it's getting closer to the person perceiving the sound.
Friction is what helps keep a vehicle or a person or, say, a bike to the ground. As if there's no friction, you'd be sliding all over the place, like when there's ice on the road.
Instantaneous speed is the speed you're going at any particular moment.
Momentum is that which carries you forward with speed, depending on mass.
Reaction time is how long it takes for someone to respond to a certain situation.
Velocity is equals distance over time.
And then we have some vocab that didn't have an active part in our project. Average speed is how long it takes you to go that speed over time.
Centripetal force is what keeps an object going in a circular manner, which didn't really apply to our project. And centripetal acceleration is how fast you're going in that circular motion.
Circular motion is going in a circle.
The same answer multiple times, but it's wrong. The project we chose to do was one that required us to have a bike, a car, and a runner. For each time that we took a trial, they had to go a distance of 60.97 meters.
For our data for the runner ran in 12.6 seconds over the 60.97 meters the first time. The second time he ran 12.2 seconds, and the third time 13.6. That equaled to an average of about 12.8 seconds. Velocity was equal to 60.97 meters over 12.8 seconds, which equaled to 4.76 meters per second. The acceleration was 4.76 meters per second over 12.8 seconds, which equaled to 3.72 meters per second squared.
For the biker, we had 11.8 seconds, 11.1 seconds, and 12.5 seconds, which gave us an average of 11.8 seconds. The velocity was 60.97 meters over 11.8 seconds, which equaled 5.17 meters per second. 0.17 meters per second over 11.8 seconds, which equaled 0.438 meters per second squared.
The car's times were 8.7 seconds, 9.0 seconds, and 8.6 seconds, which gave an average speed of 8.77 seconds. The velocity was 60.97 meters over 8.77 seconds, which equaled 6.95 meters per second. The acceleration was equal to 6.95 meters per second over 8.77 seconds, which equaled 0.78 meters per second squared.
The second part of our project was to create different scenarios in where the biker would win, the runner would win, and the car would win. In the scenario in which the runner would win, the runner would need to start at 30.49 meters, which is about halfway through our distance, and in which the runner would beat the car and the bike.
Which started at 0.
That started at 0.
When the biker would win, we put the biker at 30.49 meters as well as the runner, and put the runner and the car back at 0 so the biker would win.
For the car to win, we had all three of them, the biker, runner, and the car, start at 0 meters, as the car had the highest velocity, which would make it finish first. Yay, physics. And now we're signing off.
This is Kayla.
This is Rhiannon.
And this is Elijah/Clifford.
Have a good night.
P.S. Mr. Sadler is very interesting, and Mr. White is very compassionate.
Very compassionate.
Very compassionate. Okay, bye.
Adios.
It's just beneath the skin. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I hate what I've become. The nightmare's just begun. I must confess that I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster. I feel like a monster.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, mate. What red
I thought there was a red light. Is there no red light?
Looking for a red. Yo, 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 this is the chapter challenge. For group awesome.
just don't.
It's awkward. I don't want to go first.
Okay, I'll go first.